Hello everyone, welcome to session number 1 of our driving mode series. In this video, we'll talk about Econ Drive Mode. What does Econ mean? How does Econ Mode work? What are the benefits of using it? When should you use it and when not? Does Econ Mode really save fuel? You are watching AutoWave to get answers to all these questions. The word econ comes from economy, which is relatively used as fuel average. You mostly see this button in Honda CVT cars. Econ mode is a drive mode that depends on your vehicle's overall efficiency. When you activate econ mode, your car's fuel average increases, and this happens because your engine's power is reduced, which makes your car consume less fuel. Where your car normally travels 15 kilometers per liter, when Econ mode is activated, it will travel 18 kilometers per liter. The most noticeable effect when pressing the Econ button is the reduction in power. Econ mode affects 4 things. Number 1, throttle response. Number 2, air conditioning system. Number 3, transmission. And number 4, cruise control. Let's discuss each one step by step. First is throttle response. Drivers who press the accelerator heavily consume more fuel because high RPM causes more fuel consumption. Remember, fuel average depends heavily on your driving style as well as vehicle maintenance. When Econ mode is activated, throttle response is reduced for efficiency. The car will accelerate gradually and steadily. The performance you get when normally pressing the accelerator will not be the same in Econ mode. As already discussed, pressing the Econ button reduces throttle response for efficiency. Econ mode automatically maintains RPM according to speed. Throttle response is mostly affected in the mid-range. When the car accelerates or slows down, this effect is lower, and it affects more in the mid-range where the car is continuously moving at the same speed, that is around 80 to 90 km per hour. Number 2, air conditioning system. Using AC makes driving comfortable, but it also affects fuel average. When pressing the Econ button, the car's AC compressor frequently turns on and off to keep engine load low while still keeping the car fully cool. The advice is to press the Econ button after cooling in hot weather. As you know, turning on the compressor increases engine load, which raises RPM and reduces fuel mileage. However, Econ mode keeps your AC compressor frequently cycling while maintaining your RPM at a possibly low value. As a result, we get better fuel mileage. Number 3, transmission. First of all, using the highest possible gear increases your fuel economy. If your transmission system keeps your car in the highest possible gear according to speed, your car will give better fuel mileage. When your car shifts into a lower gear at high speed, it will give bad fuel mileage. Similarly, if your car shifts into the highest gear at low speed, it will also give bad fuel mileage. When Econ mode is activated, your car upshifts earlier and downshifts later to keep RPM low, improving fuel efficiency. Number 4, cruise control. When your car is on cruise control, activating Econ mode reduces the car's ability to shift gears based on speed, keeping RPM as low as possible. Econ mode prevents frequent gear shifting and maintains the shift points, which gives better fuel mileage. Finally, the question is, when should you use Econ mode? The simple answer is, do not use it when you need high pickup. You can use it at a constant speed or normally in the city where high acceleration is not required. You should also avoid using Econ mode in very hot weather because it works on the air conditioning system and frequently trips the AC compressor. Naturally, If the AC compressor trips frequently, you won't get proper cooling. However, you can use it after cooling. If you need high speed, for example, taking your car to 180 to 190 kilometers per hour, do not use Econ Mode, as it will not affect your car's fuel mileage. These were a few points related to Econ Mode. Hopefully, you now have answers to all questions about Econ Mode. Coming up in Session 2 of the Driving Modes series, we'll break down Eco Mode from a technical standpoint, including how the system manages efficiency behind the scenes. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever new videos are uploaded.